StreetStuntParts.com. Motorcycle stunt parts, accessories, and apparel. We specialize in helping riders kill the streets.
Come on, let's go. Come on. Yeah, hip hopping when sweet. You fashion got some budgets and forgot about the street. You still them little clothes that them sweet cakes switching in. Ultra make the same clothes that they claim they grip, man. Niggas is crazy, I be laughing at these crossovers. It's a fact that you will never have this sauce on you. In you or around you, you niggas is some clowns. I used to come from tycoons from the Jordan down. Just hit the work back home, paid it in a black gold carry-on bag. Then I turn it into crack on. Clean dealers love me, I'm a north side backbone. Call it the hustlers, that's not for getting the sack gone. But other than that, I ain't dealing through you off brains, riding my coat like the name on the block. And they losing they spark, but my hustle don't stop, man. They so fire, turn teachers into rock band. Big blunt for the streets say. If it's long game, that's Big Meech, man. And my bro J Bo out of St. Louis. Streets ain't the same from South Beach to Cancun. Big blunt for the streets say. If it's long game, that's Big Meech, man. And my bro J Bo out of St. Louis. Streets ain't the same from South Beach to Cancun. A1 Yay, keep the gritters coming back. Big Toyota truck unloading 100 back. 100 bricks and duct tape and bubble wrap. Double strap, double and scratch, and then I doubles that. Getting to the guacamole, duffel on swole. EGS invisible set, sitting on the go. Presidential Rolex, back, gap back. Gotta take the stairs to get to this level. Watching out for 5 minutes of fame, niggas. Running over these always in the way, niggas. They can't stop this movement. It's a school of Orca Wells when the orcas is moving. This really be flowing. These bitches be well watching while you be rapping at work, while you be bell hopping. I be mail dropping, picking up and mixing up. Mixing on 4 burners in the kitchen, whipping up. Big blunt for the streets say. If it's long game, that's Big Meech, man. And my bro J Bo out of St. Louis. Streets ain't the same from South Beach to Cancun. Big blunt for the streets say. If it's long game, that's Big Meech, man. And my bro J Bo out of St. Louis. Streets ain't the same from South Beach to Cancun. That's right, free Big Meech, man. AKA Big Blunts, you dig? The only nigga I know that roll like 4 blunts out of zip, you dig? Get up on that, man, you square ass motherfuckers. Y'all can't fuck with my brothers, you dig? Get up on us though, man.